the hop, and the boom. Here's a 3-on-1 race. Hello. Now, more than anything else, Tony Kukoc loves to make these type of passes. Not just yet. Here's Michael with the steal, and Chicago with the lead. Here he comes. 23 in white. MJ is in the house.
All right, guys. So what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy T right here, man. And this is, whoo, whoa. I must say, probably one of the most iconic sneakers that's out that I always wanted, and I never ever owned a pair of these. All right, there's two sneakers that I always wanted in my lifetime. Before I leave this world, I said I wanted to own, and that is first the Jordan 11 Breads. I definitely wanted a pair of them, and also my favorite, the Jordan 13 Playoffs. Now, it's just something that's just so silky smooth about this sneaker here, and I always wanted a pair of these, man. Like I said, I never owned a pair of them. The only ones that I did get, and it was I don't know, was it last year? Yeah, last year sometime, probably earlier last year. I don't know, but it was the Jordan 13 the blue Braves. Now, or Brave Blue, however you say it. But here, matter of fact, here it is right here. This video here, man. If you ain't seen it, check it out. But yeah, man, so I definitely had those right there. I mean, they was pretty cool, but they're not the original, the OG, the playoffs. Like, it's just this silhouette here. It's mind blowing for me, and I love it a lot. All right, but man, this comes in the regular box, the Jordan box right here, as you can see. The nice little Jordan, all gray with the red jump, man, and that's pretty much it. And like I said, on the side of it here, man, like I said, it's Air Jordan 13, and the silhouette is black, true red, and white. All right, now just jumping right into this, guys. Here it is, my beloved favorite, the Jordan 13 Playoffs. Now, this black silhouette here, it speaks out so much, man. This takes me back to in the 97. Man, this has been, basketball was just real deal, man. 1997, my God. I mean, Jordan, these here, I mean, it was phenomenal back then. All right, and I mean, basketball is good now. I love basketball, my favorite sport, just to let you guys know. But I'm telling you here, these here is always one of the sneakers that I always wanted. Now I mean, this jumping right into this sneaker here, guys. Just look at it, man. Look at this, man. The all black silhouette, all black. We got on the mids, the uppers, we have that nice tumble leather right here. As you can see the nice little bumps in them, as you can see here, and this goes all the way throughout this whole sneaker. The nice tumble leather right here. Now we got a nice slick of suede, that smooth fine suede that runs on the lowers of the sneaker on both sides, as you can see here, and also it runs in the back as well. Now, also jumping into this here, you have this nice front of this actual tongue here. We have the actual it's like little holes inside of the actual tongue, as you can see here, and it's going to this tongue. If you already know, we got the nice Jumpman in red with the gold ring. Now, if you don't know, these here are the only ones you will find the gold ring on, so you ain't gonna find on another, so don't look for them. All right. But yeah, jumping here, we got the nice in yellow. We got the nice Jordan in yellow here. Now, the thing about these here is differently. And normally in your Jordan 13s, you will have the Roman numbers in the back. As you can see, this one here does not have the Roman numbers in the back of it, of Jordan 13. The number 13 Roman number is not there. They did not add that into this one here. So if yours have 13 in the back, you need to take them back. All right, they're not real. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Also, you know, we got the reflector here in the back, and it's right here. I think it's the number 23 in it. And I know you can't really see it, but it has a number 23 inside this reflector here. Now here we got the nice little white that's going through the bottom sole panel of this actual sneaker. And if you flip it up here, we got the nice red with the actual gray and white. Now, if I'm not mistaken, on the classic 97 ones we had, this was actually red, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a long time, but I believe it was red. Now also here we got the reptile eye. As you can see, we got the nice Jumpman that's in green, which I believe that was actually yellow at one point, or gold, or whatever the case may be. And this also here, this nice little carbon fiber, I call it, is changed out as well. It was actually a different color than this was right here, but all in all, it doesn't matter. The small changes to it is gravy to me. Now, as you already know, that you know they call Jordan like the panther, the Black Panther. As you can see, this sneaker here is shaped into that panther form. As you can see, you got the paw print right here, and then like I said, you got the actual white that symbolizes the actual print of the actual paw. I mean, it's a lot of small detail things that this sneaker here that just stands out, but it's just the fact of the matter, the all black silhouette is just it's something that you always gonna want, man. I mean, for me, it was a sneaker that I always wanted. I definitely am excited to be able to cop these, and the fact that I got them early, so that's just hey man, that's just love. These do release on February the 18th, which is probably going to be the All-Star Weekend sneaker that it would, that would be dropping. But yeah, definitely the All-Star Weekend, we know we always get a nice pair of sneakers here. I think we had some, I don't even know what the other one was last year, but we do definitely always get a nice little pair. And these here, for me, these done it for me. All right, these definitely done it. I'm excited to have them. Hey man, let me know, man. The most iconic sneaker for Jordan here in the 13 silhouette colorway is these right here. And guys, again, I can't stress enough how much I truly do love these right here. I do love the playoffs. The playoffs is by far probably the most iconic 13 out there. And that's just my opinion. You let me know in the comments. But yeah, man, let me know also too, man, what's your top 3 Jordans that you guys like, or would you wish you had owned a pair? Let me know in the comments, man. Like I said, these definitely are top of my list, probably number 1 to be owned. I'm glad I have these now. Back then, my brother was broke. I couldn't afford it, But yeah, no, we do definitely got these here. I'm telling you guys, fire, man. Size 10, true to size. Definitely get you a pair, guys, if you can get them. I'm sure you should be able to cop a pair. I don't think they may sell out. They shouldn't. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all we got for today's sneaker video. The iconic Jordan 13 playoffs in hand right now. And guys, I must say, they are absolutely amazing. All right, so again, man, thank you all so much for all the love, all the support. I can't thank you enough, man. It's been absolutely amazing. Again, man, big ups to everybody for all the love on the last video. Again, thank you so much. Thank you. And yeah, we got plenty more to bring, so be on the lookout, man. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button for your boy. And hey, don't forget to turn the post notification bell on, because you know what? I don't want you to miss no more of these sneaker videos, and we got plenty more to bring to you. So again, man, in the comments, let me know what's your favorite Jordan. Also, let me know what order would you put your least to the favorite to the least favorite. You let me know. All right, till then, I'll see you guys on the next sneaker video. Peace. Now also, man, just things like, I must say, I know a lot of people, strive off of, oh man, they ain't the same as how they used to look back in '97 or how they looked in 2011. The thing is this, man, I just want to elaborate on one thing, and just on one thing only, man. Guys, get what you love, man. Just copping a sneaker because of the resale on them, or how much they, you know, if they drop, then you don't want them. If they ain't high, you don't want them. That don't mean that the sneaker's bad, because you know what, like I said, at the end of the day, you know, you might have a person that says they like it on this side, but then a person over here that don't like it, you know, then it weighs your option, man. Get what you like, man. Get the sneaker you love, because at the end of the day, you're the one wearing them, not nobody else. And because also, if you do end up copping a pair and this person don't get the pair, you already know they're gonna hate on you, man, because you know that's just pretty much in the society we live in now, man. The fact of how most of the people hate, you know, this and that. But you know, hey, again, man, get what you enjoy wearing. If you love the sneaker, get the sneaker because you love it, not because of the resale price on it, or because of what a big YouTuber say, or even my video. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, get what you like.